How to manage notifications on your Windows. Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to manage your notifications on your Windows 10 or 11. And so first thing we do is we go to this icon right here and then choose the settings option, and after that you need to go to system right here and you will find this page. Now go to here, notifications and actions, and now you will be able to manage notifications as you want from here. You can turn on or turn off whatever you want or you don't want in easy fast way. As you can see, I can turn on or turn off anything from here. And that's it for today's video guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe.